If you want to learn how to delete audio in Audacity quickly and cleanly, this tutorial is going to walk you through the exact steps. Whether you want to remove a mistake, cut out a pause, or clean up a section of your recording, Audacity gives you a couple of easy ways to do it. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to delete audio completely, plus how to use split delete if you want to leave a gap in place. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Audacity tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your project in Audacity and make sure you can see the waveform clearly. The waveform is the visual representation of your audio, and this is what you'll use to select the part you want to remove. To start deleting audio, click the Selection tool icon. It looks like a capital letter I, and it lets you highlight an exact section of audio. Once the Selection tool is active, click and drag across the waveform to highlight the section you want to remove. Take your time here, because the more accurate your selection is, the cleaner your edit will be. You can select a short clip, a pause, a mistake, or even a larger section, depending on what you want to delete. After the section is highlighted, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. Audacity will remove that audio immediately. One of the helpful things about this method is that Audacity will also shift the remaining clips to the left, which closes the gap automatically. So if you're trying to make your audio flow smoothly without any empty space, this is the fastest method to use. Now, if you do want to keep a gap where the audio was removed, Audacity has another option called Split Delete. This is useful when you want to delete a section, but keep the clips before and after it in their original positions. To do that, first highlight the section you want to remove, just like before, then click the Edit menu at the top of the screen. From there, click Remove Special, and then click Split Delete. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Alt-K if you want to do it faster. Unlike a normal delete, Split Delete removes the selected audio, but does not pull the surrounding clips together. That means the empty space stays in place, which can be useful if you're planning to add something back later, align audio with video, or preserve timing in your project. So just to recap, if you want to fully remove audio and close the gap, use the Selection tool, highlight the waveform, and press Delete. If you want to remove audio but leave space behind, use Edit, Remove Special, and Split Delete, or press Ctrl-Alt-K. That's really all there is to it, and once you practice it a couple of times, deleting audio in Audacity becomes second nature. It's one of the most useful editing skills to learn, especially if you're recording podcasts, voiceovers, music, or any kind of spoken content. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.